Hello there guys, this is a video for Shedwars 22. These are little gem lettuce which have been growing on in the greenhouse and are ready to go out, but doing a little bit of companion planting. As you can see, there's a kohlrabi there. Got to do some more of them because several of them got chewed. But anyway, putting the lettuce in with the potatoes, and I'll just show you what I'm going to be doing, how I'm going to be doing it. I think we're more or less in the right place there. Fairly difficult to see, there's quite a bit of sun. Let's take it up a smidgen and then tilt it back. Now that's better, isn't it? That's better. Yeah, I think that's a bit more like it. Just hope it don't fall over. Right, so companion planting, it's as easy or as complicated as you make it. But I would certainly recommend having a look on the internet, see what is suitable for your area really. In the UK, there's a company called First Tunnels, I think they're called, and they have quite a good selection on there of what can be planted together. That's how nature does it after all. You don't see neat rows of different plants in nature, do you? Everything grows together, and if they don't like each other then they grow somewhere else. There's one of these big no-dig YouTubers in this country, Charles Dowding. He's a firm believer that even though they might be plants, they still grow better with their mates, as he calls them. So that's one done. So as you can see, it's and of course the beauty of doing no-dig, one of the things about it is that you get double the crop out of one area, I suppose. And in this instance I'm getting 3 because I've got potatoes, kohlrabi, lettuce. Okay, so that's 2 done. So I will get back to you when I finish this. Okay, guys, so there we are, they're all in. Only took me about 5 minutes, 10 minutes to put in the little gem lettuce in between the potatoes, which makes good use of the space. So having done that, these are main crop potatoes over here, and these are first early ones. And we go up here, we've got some turnips in there. There's the label, I don't know if you can see that. Some more little gem lettuce there. Some beetroot. I believe they're called beets in other parts of the world. White onion. Carrying on here. We have the strawberry bed, which as you can see is coming into flower, so they shouldn't be too much longer. And I've got the leeks down the side there. These are shallots, pickling onions. They're in desperate need of a weed, but quickly walk past that bit. And then here we have some more little gem lettuce and red onions, and then up there, just the other side of that cane, is some more beetroot. And then here we have broad beans, so these need to be tied up. As you can see, they're getting a bit blown about. And at the end there, a lot of garlic, that's nearly coming in, as they say. Can't show you what's under there, although it is cabbage and cauliflower, but I don't really want to take the netting off because it's too windy and it will be a battle to get it back on again. But having said that, then we have the blackcurrant bush here. There are some currants starting to form on there. And then going on up here, we some peas in there, some more peas in there, and then what I did earlier on is there's 4 rows of carrots in there and 4 rows of swede on the end. And if we go into the greenhouse, there's not too much happening in here now. Got a couple of Savoy cabbage to put out, various tomato plants in here as well, 4 sweet peppers here, well 5 actually, there's 5 there, and at the back here there's more little gem lettuce, a couple more tomato plants, and purple sprouting broccoli there, I think that is. Well, who knows, because I didn't label it. Yes, I know. And then at the back here we have runner beans, climbing beans I suppose other people might call them. And then down here, just along here, I'm hoping for some more tomatoes. Yeah. So yeah, that's about it, guys. The Shedwars update as far as vegetables go. I hope that you find it interesting what I'm doing, and if you would like to drop a comment and a like, then that would be great. Okay, so catch you again. Bye for now.